Okay, we're going to make a really simple app that I'm calling ShowMeThisAddress, and it is just going to show any address that the user puts into a text field or text box and then clicks a Show Me Address button. Now, of course, it's got to be a valid address or at least one that Google Maps could find. So let's just start with a text field or text box. We'll put this here. We'll put in a hint that says something like enter address. And let's make it as wide as the screen. Okay, that's easy enough. And then also we're going to need a button, so let's put that down here. We'll also make it as wide as the screen. And then let's say something like show address. Let's make it bold so it's a little bit more obvious. Okay, now the last thing we need is something that can show Google Maps. We'll put a web viewer on here, and pretty much our user interface is done. Now what we have to do is change the blocks, and that's pretty easy. What we need to do here is go into our button, grab the click event, and once we click it, we need to go to the web viewer and go to a URL. Now the URL is going to have the same piece, will be constant, so we're always going to call something about Google Maps. Let's put this in here, paste it. And you'll see it's http://maps.google.com/?q equals. And that's where you put the query in. But we want to combine it with the address from our text box. So we need the text box. And we want to hide the keyboard too when we're done. That's a good idea. And we're going to get the text box text. And that's down here somewhere, text. Okay. So now all we have to do is try our app. Come over here and we type in, I don't know, 144 State Street in North Dakota. I don't know, Omaha, Nebraska. Maybe there's got to be a State Street there. If we click on Show on Map, this should go away. So we click, goes away, and ta-da! Now we've got a map, and it shows 144 State Street. Pretty simple, right? That's how you can use Google Maps, the web viewer component, and a couple of simple user interface components to show a map almost instantly on your phone with, 2 blocks? Very, very easy. Good work.